Alright, so this is Coin and Maker Mail Time Part 2. It was more interesting than I thought it would be, so I made a short video, and now I'm going to make a longer one. The first coin I got was a 1963 silver Washington quarter in a Get Well card, which is a first. But I also got some stuff from Silver Husky. I've never ordered from him before. I watched his YouTube live, and I got some cool stuff. They sent me a sticker. Also got a metal merchant sticker, and I don't know if you can see, that's my first gold ever. Let's unwrap this and I'll show you. There it is. Look at it. It's so cute. It's my first piece of gold I've ever bought for myself. I'm kind of excited. And here's just a comparison of how tiny this piece of gold is next to a penny here. But I mean, that's 1 gram of fine gold right there. So I'm pretty stoked to have it. That's not all I got from Silver Husky. You want to see what else I got? I also got this silver Godzilla coin, which is pretty neat. The back of it's really intricate. Pretty cool. I don't know. That's my mail time. I guess I can give you a better look at that quarter too. There we go. We got this 1963 Washington quarter all unwrapped. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to make this into a ring in my next video. So if you want to see that, hop on over to my page and check it out. Have a good day, guys. Bye.